Hey there YouTube, Crypto Force here again, bringing you another daily dose of crypto. I want to make a video just outlining kind of what's going on right now in the crypto market. First of all, I want to point out, and I just made a video recently on the FUD coming out of South Korea. And right here, headline just came out a little while ago. It says cryptocurrency market suffers another major correction. First, let's straighten this out and point out the facts here. It was not a correction. It was a false statement, and the media ran with it and posted more false statements about false raids on exchanges, about South Korea shutting down their cryptocurrency altogether and banning it. And none of those things were true. It was all absolutely false. So this thing that the media is hyping up as being a major correction, it is not a correction. It was man-made. And that leads me into my point I want to talk about. Back in August, I bought 21,000 coins of Ripple for around, I think it was just around 15 cents, maybe a little higher than 15 cents. And it was around $3,200. Well, in September, if you remember, China came out with similar news saying we're banning ICOs, we're banning cryptocurrencies. And then just a day or two later, Jamie Dimon comes out and says it's garbage, cryptocurrency is, don't have anything to do with it. And I panic sold. Now, like I said, I bought it at 15 cents. If you just took today's value and took 21,000, that's almost $40,000 I would have had I had the confidence or the the knowledge to hold on to those coins. So, if had I held them till the height last week, they were around $3 a coin. That was around $60,000. So when I wound up selling it, I think I might have made maybe 60 or 80 bucks on them. I don't exactly remember how much, but there was a massive amount of money there that I threw away because I panicked. Now, I don't want you guys to do that. And if you look at the markets right now, I mean, if you bought Ripple last week or you bought Tron last week, you're down probably at least 50%, especially on Tron. You may be down, who knows, 75% on it. But the bottom line is here, guys, don't jump on the bandwagon with the media. I mean, if you watch the pattern of cryptocurrencies, it's very easy to look at it and see what's been going on since about July or June of last year. We'll have, we'll be rolling real good going up. And typically news comes out, but a lot of time it's false news. So, just like this justice minister that came out from South Korea, and supposedly he made the claim that South Korea was banning cryptocurrencies. It turned out to be totally false. And then all the news medias, before they verified anything, just pumped it straight out. So I don't know who stands to gain from this. Obviously, it's the elite or the people that have the money or control the media, whatever the case might be. But the small guys like us, just make sure you do your homework, do your research. And, obviously, if you want to sell it, do it. I'm not telling you can't, but don't get in the habit of panic selling and selling when stuff's tanking, because give it a couple weeks, it'll go back up. Like I said, Ripple, 15 cents is what I bought it at, and it wound up going to $3 and something last week. Now, I'm not saying at all that I would have held it that long. I might have sold it at 20 cents, 40 cents, $2, who knows. But the bottom line is there was a lot of potential there to make off Ripple, and I panicked and dumped it all. And, it's just human nature. So, I'm really big at always saying, these markets, just like the stock market, are, I'm obviously exaggerating when I say 90% psychologically driven, but it is a huge amount of, psychology goes into these transactions that we do as humans, just because you get panicked and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose it all. So you just dump and sell it real quick, and then it starts going right back up. Or the exact inverse is true. Do not buy something when it's gone up 100, 200%, like Ripple last week, or Tron. Once that thing had doubled, tripled, quadrupled, don't jump in at that minute, because it will come back down and give you the opportunity to get back into it. Anyways, guys, hope this has helped you guys out. Like I said, the market's down probably, or it's about 60% red today, 40% green, just on these top 100. So, I'm expecting this to happen. I mean, this news is finally starting to clear up a little bit of this South Korea BS that's going on. So, hopefully sky will be the limit here soon. So you guys hang tight, and you guys got anything to add to it, by all means, please just stick it in the comment section below. I'm going to try to catch up, make some videos. A couple guys on Twitter sending me some videos they want me to make a couple individual coins, some ICOs. I'm going to try to make that happen. Just been really busy lately. Was away this weekend, so just trying to catch back up on things. Real tired. And if you guys like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. And as always, guys, good luck trading, and Crypto Force signing out.